How to fix AirPods 4 not connecting on iPhone. If your AirPods 4 aren't connecting to your iPhone, you could try pairing them again after updating your iPhone software. So what you could do is, first of all, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of the iOS. You actually want to go to the settings and go to software update. And if you see such interface, then you actually want to make sure to update it. So likewise, you could also make sure to enable Bluetooth. So go to settings and then go to the Bluetooth and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. And what you could also do is place both AirPods in the charging case and ensure they're charging. The other thing what you could also do is ensure Bluetooth is active on your phone. For that as well, you want to go to those settings and make sure that Bluetooth on your iPhone and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Procedure won't help you out, then you could also check the connection status. Look for AirPods in the Bluetooth settings. If they are listed but not connected, tap on the AirPod to connect them and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Despite doing this procedure, once again, if you see such error, then you could also try forgetting the device and then repairing them and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Now, what you could also do is other thing, you could also make sure to check the battery of your AirPods. Sometimes if there is a low battery, that could be such issue. So you could you could charge your AirPods for at least 4 hours and see whether that fixes your issue or not. So these are some of the ways to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.